welcome to Aki's Surprises.
Welcome to day 9 of our countdown to Valentine's Day.
Yes. Today, it is heavy.
That's a big one.
For day 9. What did you put in here? A stone? Ah! The little squishies from Shopkins. Oh my gosh, squishy. Oh, look at these. We have a delish donut. And we have, I don't remember her name, but it's so cute. She's like the perfect Valentine's one because she says, I love you.
Is it Candy Kisses?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That is so cool.
Oh my gosh. It looks like she has like little things in her. She has like a heart. Look. Lipstick, like beads. Do you hear that noise?
Have a little chemical smell to them.
They do.
I don't like that. Here's the inside of Candy Kisses of the hearts. And there's a flower.
It's like a little drink.
That's too funny.
Oh, they're kind of sticky together. Two squishies combined.
What do you want to do next?
I'm holding squishies. Squishies. Let's see what's in. Here's this one. Ooh, there's a red ring inside.
I take it you like it? Isn't that one really pretty? I knew you would like the pink hearts on her.
The assassin star.
And here's one of the many reasons why I love you.
Aww, I love it when we play games together. I love it too. Yeah, I love it too.
We love having game night, don't we?
I know. I also love playing Life, which I thought would be a really weird game.
I asked Santa for the game of life.
And I was hoping he wouldn't bring it. I was opening her present. I'm just like, are you kidding me?
But now what do you think of it?
It's mine. I took over it.
She loves to play it. It's a fun game to play. Pick out your act of kindness for today. Send a letter to someone. That's a good one.
I know.
Well,
Cute, these two.
Kiddo loves her stuffies. Before you go to sleep, what was your favorite part of the video today?
I liked opening this bracelet. It's really cute.
It is super cute. I knew you would like that. Pink hearts and unicorns.
Yes, my favorite.
Well, let us know in the comments below what your favorite is, and if you have found any of the Shopkins Squeezkins, and what they have inside.
It was rolling like a donut.
Whee! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for
Shopkins.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.